The next step in creating your LinkedIn profile so that you can attract a job and that when you reach out to recruiters, you're not wasting your time or their time, is having your work experience built out. So Tanjeev, another individual who's gone through the course, who scored a new role as a result of it, is a great example. If you just come to his profile, a couple things that we talked about in the last few videos, good profile picture, good headline, good background picture, his about section is built out. But we're going to focus in on his experience. So typically what I see is this is very bare bones. However, it's one of the easiest aspects of your profile to build out because typically you have all of your experience and bullet points highlighted in your resume. So it just becomes a matter of copying and pasting. And what this does is it shows that you're thorough in what you do. It conveys things that not even the bullet points can convey. But if you're now using LinkedIn as a main way to find your next job, having your title on here, Scrum Master, having the company, having what type of role it was, having when you started, where it was located, and all of these bullet points become very valuable. Because if you message a recruiter, like we recommend you doing to finding your next job, they can come and read your bullet points and they end up with work with the product owner to align teams with the product vision and sprint goals. Well, if that's what they're looking for, now that recruiter does not have to reference Tanjeev's resume, they are set right on the profile. And once you build this out, it's done. And you can go all the way back to what Tanjeev did as a customer success manager at Northern Illinois 7 years ago. So that's number one, is making sure that your work experience is built out. We'll look at a second example here. Max is a great example, another past student that has gone through the interview course, recently actually just started a new job. But you can see that he also has all of his work history built out. He actually just started this business analyst position today, so likely not going to have a lot of experience on here quite yet. But as he starts to work in his role, one of the things that we'll suggest that he does is build that out. And once he gets, if he ends up needing a new job at some point, having that on there, he'll be sure to add. But you can go through and you can see all of the different roles that he had, copy and pasted right from his resume. And now when that recruiter lands on his profile, it's very, very clear what Max has done in his past roles. And like I said, it conveys a sense of thoroughness where a lot of people have a very skinny profile that doesn't convey everything that should be conveyed about their experience and their past work to the individual that's looking at their profile.